Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python installed and VS Code ready. Once those are present, open your project folder and launch the integrated terminal. Next, create and activate a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv then source or \. Venv \, scripts \, activate depending on your shell. Make sure to install pip packages you need now so later steps detect them. Finally, open Command Palette and prepare to install the Python extension to link the IDE to your interpreter. You install the Microsoft Python extension and reload the window. This provides linting, IntelliSense, and debugging. Once done, open Command Palette and choose Python. Select Interpreter. Pick the virtual environment or system interpreter you created. Make sure to set workspace settings so tasks use that interpreter by default. Then install and configure linters like Pylance or Flake 8 and formatters such as Black. The extension will surface diagnostics. After configuring, run a simple Python file to validate IntelliSense and linting behaviors. You finalize by setting up debugging. Open Run View, create a launch. JSON using Python, current file, and add arguments if needed. Then run your script with the green play button or F5, use breakpoints and the debug console to inspect variables. Once done, integrate tasks and pre-launch task for builds. If things go wrong, first verify the selected interpreter matches your virtual environment, confirm path and terminal shell, and check extension output logs. That single troubleshooting tip, confirm interpreter selection, solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.